Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product. I recently incorporated the Rhode Skin Glazing Milk into my skincare routine, and it has quickly become my go-to product, especially during the winter months. This milky facial essence has a lightweight texture that absorbs into the skin effortlessly, leaving it plump, dewy, and perfectly prepped for the next steps in my routine. The formula is enriched with fantastic ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, beta-glucan, zinc, and copper, making it a dream for fortifying the skin barrier. Packed with hydration-boosting properties, it effectively calms redness, smooths irritation, and visibly plumps the skin. I love the versatility of glazing milk. It serves as a toner, essence, and serum all in one. I apply it generously after cleansing, and it acts as an essential prep step before both my skincare and makeup routine. The quick absorption and lightweight consistency make it a joy to use, and it leaves my skin feeling refreshed and nourished. As someone with normal to dry skin, this product has been a game changer, providing an extra layer of hydration, especially in the winter. The luminous glow it imparts is undeniable, and I've noticed a reduction in redness over time, making it an integral part of my skincare ritual. Additionally, I appreciate the thoughtful formulation, incorporating beta-glucan as an antioxidant-rich humectant that maintains the skin's moisture balance. The price point of $29 is a pleasant surprise for a product with such high-quality ingredients and performance. In summary, Rhode Skin Glazing Milk has earned its place as my holy grail product, offering not just hydration, but a radiant and dewy complexion. It's Hauck Sean Garrett, approved for a reason, and I highly recommend it for anyone looking to enhance their skincare routine with a powerhouse essence.